Hello viewers, how are you? In this video I will show how to see Mobile Legend password. Okay, let's go. First open your Mobile Legend app. Tap on Mobile Legend profile. Click now account. Tap on Mobile Legend account center. Hello friends, Mobile Legend password not showing. Okay, follow my next step and go to Gmail account. Tap on Gmail profile. Click now manage your Google account. Click on security option. Scroll down. Click on password manager. Select Mobile Legend Bang Bang. Hello friends, this is how we'll see Mobile Legend password successful. Hello viewers, please subscribe to our channel.